The highlights of today's defense news, 26th of August 25. Pune space startup targets low-cost reusable rockets hopper test within 2 years. 5 startups from IIT Kanpur launch innovative products. Indian government invests 211 crore rupees into space sector under Fund of Funds for Startup scheme. L&T successfully wraps up multiple flight trials of its Teer target drone. NewSpace Research and Technologies conducting developmental trials of Indigenous Sheshnag 150 Kamikaze drone. Shree Refrigerations Limited wins 106 crore rupee contract for supply of HVAC systems from Hindustan Shipyard. Paras Defence secures 45 crore rupees Bell order for the supply of signal and data processing multi-sensor fusion systems. Hindustan Aeronautics to outsource complete module assembly of fighter jets to private sector, significantly accelerating production timelines. VTOL Aviation develops VLM X8 portable VTOL loitering munition for Kamikaze missions. An RFP has been issued for passive surveillance suite and detection systems under Buy Indian category. India plans major procurement of Israeli Rampage missiles. India and Fiji unveil major defense maritime security initiatives, defense attaché post announced in Suva. UK and Australia launch partnership to jointly develop next generation guided weapons. Israeli ground forces to receive 5,000 kamikaze drones from Extent. The news in detail, first from the industry. Astrofel Aerospace, a Pune-based deep tech startup, is currently focused on developing low-cost reusable launch vehicles to enable small satellite operators with precise and flexible orbital access. Frustrated by the limitations of rideshare launches, the founders Suyash Bafna and Emmanuel Louis have built a modular semi-cryogenic launch system designed for rapid turnaround and affordability. In just 18 months and at a cost of rupees 6 lakhs, the startup designed and test fired its Potentia semi-cryogenic engine on 15th of August without any external funding. The space tech startup is positioning itself as a cost-effective indigenous space infrastructure provider with an aim to democratize space access. Now, with 8 lakhs dollars already raised in July 25, and another 5 million US dollars in the pipeline, Astrophilan has also signed an MOU with InSpace to access ISRO facilities and expertise. Technology Innovation Hub at IIT Kanpur C3I Hub had organized the Connect 1.0 Startup Demo Day here, where 5 innovative products developed by startups incubated by the accelerator were launched. The first one, Maral Aerospace, introduced the Tejas 1 high altitude solar powered unmanned aircraft that uses energy from the sun to overcome the limited range and flight times of drones. The platform has an endurance of 12 hours and has been designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Aerosys Aviation introduced their Eliminator Kamikaze drone that can deliver shaped charges directly to targets even in the absence of GPS navigation and has a deployer that can drop grenades while providing operators with a top down view of the drop point. Secure Trace by Secure D app is a Forsonic platform to trace and analyze illicit transactions. The technology has the capability of tracking movements of cryptocurrency across multiple wallets and has been developed to cater to law enforcement agencies in the country. XLOTZ introduced a regulatory compliance and standard framework with pre-built compliance packs. Saptang Labs introduced Blackfence, a cyber threat intelligence platform designed to tackle fraud, phishing, impersonation, and brand abuse. Sector has made an investment support of 211 crore rupees under the Fund of Funds for Startups scheme FFS, giving a boost to the country's space sector. Under the Startup India initiative, the government is implementing 3 flagship schemes: Fund of Funds for Startups, Startup India Seed Fund Scheme, and Credit Guarantee Scheme for Startups to support startups at various stages of their business cycle. The FFS has been established to catalyze venture capital investments and is operationalized by Small Industries Development Bank of India (SIDBI), which provides capital to SEBI registered alternative investment funds, which in turn invest in startups. The AIFs support under FFS are required to invest at least two times of the amount committed under the FFS in startups. As on 30th of June 25, net commitments of 9,994 crores has been made to 141 AIFs supported under the scheme. He has successfully completed multiple flight trials of its indigenous three-target drone, marking a significant milestone in India's defense technology sector. The Teer is a maneuverable, recoverable aerial target designed to simulate advanced aerial threats for air defense weapon systems, training and evaluation. These flight trials demonstrate the drone's high-speed capabilities, agility and versatility, proving its readiness for operational use in replicating realistic combat scenarios. The Teer drone is equipped with an array of sophisticated onboard payloads, including radar augmentation systems that enhance the drone's radar signature, infrared and smoke flares that create visual and thermal effects, and an acoustic mist distance indicator for precise distance measurement during weapons testing. The drone is launched using a modular catapult launcher designed for easy logistics and quick deployment, aligning with modern battlefield requirements. Its recoverable design adds to its cost effectiveness by allowing repeated use in training exercises. This successful completion of multiple flight trials validates the drone's ability to mimic various hostile aerial maneuvers and threats encountered in modern warfare, offering highly realistic target price for India's air defenses. Space Research and Technologies has achieved a major milestone in Indian defense innovation with the developmental trials of its indigenous Sheshnag 150 Kamikaze drones. Designed as a long-range precision strike unmanned aerial vehicle, the Sheshnag 150 is meant to dramatically enhance India's capabilities in autonomous swarm-based warfare. Its most notable features are a claimed operational range exceeding 1,000 kilometers, an endurance of over 5 hours, and a robust payload capacity between 25 and 40 kilograms, enabling it to carry substantial warheads to inflict decisive damage on strategic targets deep within enemy territory. The recent developmental trials included successful maiden flight tests in Karnataka's aeronautical hub, where the drone ably executed precision strikes on designated ground targets. The Sheshnag 150 achieved an impressive circular error probable of just 5 meters, validating its high accuracy and reliability for operational deployment. Hindustan Shipyard has awarded a significant turnkey contract valued at 106 crores to Maharashtra-based Shree Refrigerations Limited for the supply of advanced heating, ventilation and air conditioning (HVAC) systems for the Navy's Fleet Support Ships project. The contract covers the complete design, development and installation of HVAC and refrigeration systems, which will be crucial in maintaining optimal environmental conditions aboard the 5 new fleet support ships currently being constructed by HSL for the Navy. These ships serve a vital support function, carrying fuel, food, ammunition, and other supplies to the fleet at sea, thereby enhancing operational reach, endurance, and sustainability of naval assets during prolonged missions. The fleet supports ships, each weighing over 40,000 tons and designed for blue water operations, will not only bolster the Navy's ability to project power and conduct extended operations, but will also be equipped for humanitarian aid and disaster relief roles, demonstrating versatility beyond combat logistics. SRL's scope in this project includes providing a comprehensive turnkey solution integrating HVAC and refrigeration plants, custom marine HVAC equipment, and advanced magnetic bearing chillers, all tailored to the complex requirements of large naval vessels. Shree Refrigerations is India's leading defense-focused manufacturer of advanced refrigeration and HVAC systems, serving the Navy and strategic defense sectors for over 4 decades. With more than 40 years of technical expertise, they specialize in designing, engineering, and delivering mission critical solutions built for performance, precision, and resilience. Their marine HVAC and R systems are custom engineered to perform reliably under the extreme maritime conditions faced by naval vessels. In addition, they manufacture radar cooling systems, data center cooling units, and heat exchangers, all designed to support sensitive and high performance defense applications where temperature control is non negotiable. Portfolio also includes electrical control panels built for defense platforms and heavy fabrication services supporting large-scale defense manufacturing needs from critical enclosures to structural components. Defense secures 45 crore rupees deal from Bharat Electronics for the supply of signal and data processing multi-sensor fusion systems. These are crucial components for India's air defense infrastructure. The contract, classified as a domestic arms length transaction, falls under the air defense applications domain and is scheduled for execution within a period of 29 months or earlier. The signal and data processing system and multi-sensor fusion systems provided by Paras Defense will integrate data from various sensors, empowering decision makers with comprehensive and actionable information to safeguard national airspace. Hindustan Aeronautics is set to outsource the complete assembly of major aircraft modules to private Indian companies. Under the new model, private firms that already supply key structural components like fuselage, wings, and tail sections will now deliver these parts as fully equipped, pre assembled modules. This means the sections will arrive at HAL's final assembly line with all necessary internal systems, including wiring, hydraulic lines, and other sub-assemblies already installed. The initiative is designed to resolve production bottlenecks and significantly increase the delivery rate of aircraft to the Air Force. This enhanced collaboration deepens the existing relationship Hindustan Aeronautics has with established partners in the private defense sector. Companies like Larsen and Toubro, which supplies the wings, VEM Technologies, the center fuselage, Dynamatic Technologies for the front fuselage, Alpha Tokol Engineering Services for the rear fuselage, and Tata Advanced Systems for the vertical tail, will see their roles expand significantly. They will transition from being suppliers of basic structures to providers of complex integrated modules ready for final integration. By receiving pre-equipped sections, Hindustan Aeronautics can concentrate its resources on the critical final stages of aircraft production, that is, integrating the engine, avionics, and weapon systems, followed by comprehensive testing and certification. This change is projected to enable HAL to potentially double its annual production of Tejas Mark 1A from the current 16 aircrafts to a target of 30 by 2027. This is crucial for fulfilling the existing order of 83 jets for the Air Force. While this operational overhaul promises a major boost in production capacity, it involves a financial trade-off for the state-owned enterprise. Navi Mumbai-based VTOL Aviation India has developed the VLM X8, a portable vertical takeoff and landing loitering munition. Developed under the Make in India initiative, this UAV is designed for autonomous and semi-autonomous kamikaze missions. The drone has a cruise speed of 14 to 30 meters per second and an endurance of 15 to 50 minutes, depending on the mission. It is equipped with an onboard AI and vision system for real-time targeting and carry a payload of 0.5 to 2 kilograms. The VLM X8's stealth features and VTOL capabilities allow it to operate in confined spaces, including urban and mountainous environments and from naval ships. Its development is a significant step towards India's self-reliance in defense technology. Indian Air Force is moving ahead with plans to place significant orders for Rampage air-to-ground missiles from Israel after successfully using them in precise strikes on Pakistan airbase and terrorist headquarters. Orders are expected soon under fast-track procedures. Known in India as a high-speed, low-drag Mark II missile, the Rampage is already integrated with the Su-30 Mark MKI, Jaguar, and MiG-29 fleets. The Air Force plans to equip all these aircraft with the missiles and is exploring integration with other platforms as well. The successful integration of the Rampage missile with the Su-30 MKI has significantly enhanced the Russian aircraft fleet's firepower. This allows for firing multiple long-range air-to-ground missiles, including BrahMos supersonic missiles with a strike range of over 400 kilometers. Indian Air Force is also considering producing Rampage missiles domestically under the Make in India initiative, which could lead to their large-scale induction into service. In addition to Rampage, the Air Force tested the ROCKS, that is the Crystal Maze 2 missile, last year in the Andamans and Nicobar Islands. A look at some geopolitics. India and Fiji jointly announced significant initiatives to enhance their defense and maritime security cooperation on 25th of August. The key developments include the creation of a defense attaché post at the Indian High Commission in Suva in Fiji and the gifting of 2 sea ambulances to the Fijian military forces by India. A cybersecurity training cell will be established in Fiji to address cyber and digital defense challenges. Both nations emphasized their commitment to strengthening maritime security, including India's planned naval ship visit to Fiji for port calls aimed at enhancing maritime cooperation and interoperability. The leaders of India and Fiji reaffirmed their shared commitment to promoting peace, stability, and prosperity in the Indo Pacific region, focusing especially on protecting Fiji's exclusive economic zone. Cooperation was also highlighted in United Nations peacekeeping operations, military medicine, white shipping information exchange, and capacity building for Fiji's military. The joint efforts are designed to accelerate bilateral defense collaboration, support humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, and bolster emerging technological sectors. A new defense partnership between Australia's Defence Science and Technology Group (DSTG) and the United Kingdom's Defence Science and Technology Laboratory (DSTL) will drive the joint development of affordable next-generation guided weapons. Known as the Copperhead Project Arrangement, the initiative was formally signed in February 25 and is designed to speed up weapons innovation by applying modular plug and launch technology, reducing both cost and time from concept to battlefield deployment. The Copperhead program is built upon the fusion of Australia's Sharktooth guided missile technology with the UK's modular weapons testbed, creating a collaborative platform where subsystems like seekers, propulsion units, warheads, and guidance systems can be rapidly swapped and integrated. The Sharktooth initiative, already under development at DSTG, provides a foundation for this modular approach, offering the ability to reconfigure weapons for specific missions. This adaptability is seen as a decisive edge in modern warfare, where threats evolve faster than conventional acquisition cycles. Drone company Extend has won a tender to supply 5,000 first-person view attack drones to the Israeli ground forces. The drone will be supplied at 3,500 Israeli new shekels, that is $40 per unit, bringing the total procurement to approximately 20 million new shekels or $5.87 million. The tender also covers operating stations, virtual reality glasses for operators, and includes an option for an additional 5,000 drones. All the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.